The complete guide to the TOEFL IBT test matching questions. Matching questions require you to connect three words, phrases, or sentences with three categories somehow related to them. If the lecturer or speaker lists three or more general concepts and then gives definitions, examples, characteristics, or use of those concepts, you will probably see a matching question. As you take notes, you should normally list a specific characteristic of a general concept under the concept. You can then use your notes to answer the questions. To answer the matching question on a computer, blah 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 blah. For these questions, you really need to find only two correct choices because the third choice must obviously go in the remaining empty box. Sample item 2.
In a biology class.
Within the taiga itself, you'll find 3 subzones. The first of these you come to as you're going south is called open forest. The only trees here are needle leaf trees. You know, evergreen trees, what we call coniferous trees. These trees tend to be small and far apart. This is basically tundra. It looks like tundra, but with a few small trees. Next, you come to what's called closed forest, with bigger needle leaf trees growing closer together. This feels more like a real forest. This subzone, well, if you like variety, you're not going to feel happy here. You can travel for miles and see only half a dozen species of trees. In a few days, we'll be talking about the tropical rainforest. Now that's where you'll see variety. Okay, finally you come to the mixed zone. The trees are bigger still here, and you'll start seeing some broad-leafed trees, deciduous trees. You'll see larch, aspen, especially along rivers and creeks, in addition to needle-leaf trees. So this subzone feels a bit more like the temperate forests we're used to.
The professor discussed 3 subzones of the taiga. Match each subzone with its characteristic.
Open forest, enclosed forest, and mixed forest. Larger needle leaf trees grow closer together. Some broadleaf trees grow here, especially near water. Widely spaced, small needle leaf trees grow here. Open forest, needle leaf, evergreen, small needle leaf tree grows here. Closed forest, bigger needle leaf, larger needle leaves, broad leaf. Real forest, much closer together, closed, okay. Mixed zone. The professor describes open forest as having only needle leaf trees that grow far apart, so choice A should be placed in third box. He describes, ya kata kunci yang open forest tadi itu kan ini, small needle leaf. Okay. He described closed forest as having needle leaf trees larger than those in open forest. He says it feels more like a real forest and lacks variety. Choice B should be therefore be placed in the first box. Grow close together. The professor says that mixed forest contains even bigger trees and some broad leaf trees, especially along rivers and creeks. Therefore, you should place C in a second box. Besides, this is the only empty box, so you have to put choice C here. Iya, karena dia sisa kosong jadi sudah pindahkan ke sana. You will probably see 1 or 2 matching questions for per listening section.